Hi folks, welcome back. Just a wee quick update today. Stripped the second door and it's pretty much the same as the first. As you can see, a couple of bits of surface rust along the edges, round the window frame, but it's mostly surface. Other than, same again, that little panel on the inside. Totally gone, corroded beyond. Don't get it. Surely you must be able to buy that as a separate panel, but I've been looking all day today and can't see anything. If anybody can enlighten me, please drop me a note in the comments. Anyway, if I can't get one, I'll make one, because I'm not ripping a door skin off just for that. Just seems crazy. All in all, the door's in sort of a reasonable condition. Same again. You know what, just round the top of the door frame there, it's just the paint's been knocked off with rings and stuff, and it's bubbled. It's a little dink in the middle of the door, which again I'll pull out. After I'd finished there, I had a wee play, so I managed to actually remove the damaged panel from the inside of the door, and as you can see, it's something and nothing. 2 inches wide, 2 bends in it and 2 holes either end. Don't know what they're for, but if I can't get that panel, I'll make it. So I just don't see the need to replace a panel for that. Anyway, it is what it is. So another wee, as I say, update. So Mrs. has brought me a coffee, so it's coffee time. So you stay safe out there, people, and if you like the wee video, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.